Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter reset options, which is right here, and on the second position we've got the option we are looking for. We want to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Here your device is again informing you that it will reset all network settings, so just tap on reset settings here. If you've got a pattern or a pen, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, so let me do it. Your device will ask you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings if you are ready, and here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.